Today we will explore the beach in Spain. Playa de Aguilar is a wonderful beach nestled in the Asturias region of Spain, taking visitors on a journey of discovery to the wild and reassuring beauty of nature. This beach attracts tourists not only by its smooth white sand but also by the blue background picture of the ocean and green forests viewed from afar. Playa de Aguilar is truly a gem of Asturias, where visitors can enjoy peace and immerse themselves in amazing natural beauty. At Playa de Aguilar Beach, with its fine white sand and calm ocean waves, girls swimming in bikinis become like bright dots of light in a wonderful natural picture. Against the blue background of the sea and clear sky, they create a wonderful image of vitality and natural beauty. Bikinis gently hug the body, highlighting the charm and grace of the girls, while they confidently enjoy the sunshine and cool sea breeze. The harmony between fresh appearance and wonderful beach creates an atmosphere filled with joy and comfort. Fun activities such as swimming, playing slides on the waves, or simply lying on the sand to enjoy the sunshine are experiences that girls at Playa de Aguilar often enjoy. Comfort and freedom in bikinis are what create the exquisite picture of happy moments at this beach, where natural beauty and human beauty blend together, creating a warm atmosphere and full of positive energy. Wandering Channel detailed statistics. At Playa de Aguilar Beach, this elegant country skillfully cares for and preserves its area like a rare gem. With its vast beach area, this country makes harmonious use of the space and protects the surrounding environment. The public areas are designed in a natural, minimalist way that affects the natural landscape and enhances the wild beauty of the beach. Recreational areas and amenities are located in the right place, do not encroach on natural lands and do not affect the marine biosphere. The waste and water treatment system is strictly managed, helping to maintain the purity of the beach and protect seawater resources. This country is not only a wonderful vacation destination but also an excellent example of smart management of resources and environmental protection. This careful care makes Playa de Aguilar a destination not only for those seeking natural beauty but also for those concerned with environmental protection and the harmonious balance between people and animals. Nature. Playa de Aguilar Beach is not only a wonderful resort destination but also a journey to discover a unique environmental landscape. Known for its excellent ocean water quality and fine white sand, Playa de Aguilar Beach attracts nature lovers who want to experience amazing scenery. When you start the beach walk here, you will be fascinated from the first step. The feeling of fine sand under your feet creates a unique experience, while immersing yourself in the ocean air, smelling the salty scent of the sea breeze and feeling the soothing waves. If you do a beach walk in 2023, you will witness the latest innovations. Replica Beach Walk brings a realistic experience with space and beautiful scenery similar to reality. The walking tour will lead you through important areas of the beach, helping you better understand the local culture and natural environment. Beach Walk 4K brings the clearest images of beautiful ocean scenery, from gentle waves to wonderful sunsets. You can enjoy hot beach walk with comfort and convenience at Beach Walk Hotel, where you will be immersed in a cozy space and dedicated service. If you want to experience a live beach walk, Playa de Aguilar Beach will not disappoint you. Immerse yourself in the waves of sea life and enjoy unlimited natural beauty at one of the best beaches in the world. Beach walk no cutting. Every moment is captured naturally and authentically, helping you enjoy every moment of Playa de Aguilar without interruption. At the same time, Beach Walk Bikini shows confidence and dynamism, creating an indispensable part in the joyful picture of this beach. What do you think about this beach? Leave your thoughts below in the comments section and let us know what you'd like to see more of in upcoming videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Playa de Aguilar Beach is famous for its stunning views of long white sand beaches, creating a wide and captivating image at first sight. The smooth sandy coastline stretches seductively, emphasizing the wildness and sophistication of nature. Stepping lightly on the sand, visitors will feel comfort and softness under their feet, like a soft stream of white silk. Pure white sand is not only the ideal foundation for fun and relaxing activities, but also enhances the charming beauty of the beach. Playa de Aguilar Beach is a place where the picture of a long white sand beach is painted by gentle waves and the blue background of the sea. The feeling of tranquility and peace pervades, making people feel like they are entering a sacred area, where the soul is immersed in the pristine beauty of nature. Let's build beauty and a strong tourism community together. At Playa de Aguilar, locals have actively contributed to preserving the unique culture of this location. Every day, they communicate their traditional cultural values through their activities and dedication to maintaining local culture. With a strong attachment to Playa de Aguilar Beach, the local community has maintained their unique culture in the marine environment. Traditional festivals, art events and cultural exhibitions are ways in which they keep the cultural heritage of Playa de Aguilar alive and inherited by the next generation. The people here also have an important role in protecting and developing sustainable tourism activities. They share their cultural values with visitors, helping them better understand the unique culture of Playa de Aguilar Beach. This helps create a harmonious environment between tourists and the local community, while preserving and developing the impressive local culture. A call from Wandering Channel to join hands to protect marine resources. Let's work together to protect the beach, where immersion in natural beauty and peace becomes an indispensable part of our lives. The beach is not only a place for us to relax and enjoy happy moments, but also an important source of life for millions of marine species. Protecting beaches is not just the responsibility of a small group, but our duty as a global community. We are direct witnesses of the planet's transformation, and only when we act together will we be able to change the situation and protect this precious resource for future generations. Let's make every step we take on the beach a positive mark, so that we not only come here to enjoy, but also to protect and preserve. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our Wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our Wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone, and see you in the next videos.